How do I find my debit card account number?
Hello, everybody. Today, we are going to talk about a common query many people have. How do I find my debit card account number? Understanding your financial tools is essential, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. So, let's get started.
What is a debit card account number?
Before we dive into finding your debit card account number, it's important to know what it actually is. The account number is a unique number linked to your bank account, and it's different from the card number that's embossed on your debit card. While your card number is used to process transactions, the account number serves as an identifier for your bank account where the money is withdrawn from or deposited into.
Is my debit card account number on my debit card?
The direct answer is no. For security reasons, the debit card account number isn't printed or embedded on your debit card. The 16-digit number on your debit card is unique to the card itself and not directly linked to your personal account number. So, you won't find your account number by looking at your debit card.
So, where can I find my debit card account number?
There are several places where you can find your debit card account number. 1. Bank statement. Your monthly bank statement will have your account number. Be sure to keep these documents safe, as they contain sensitive information. 2. Online banking. Log into your online banking platform. Your account number is often listed on the dashboard or in the account details section. 3. Checkbook. If you have a checkbook for the account linked to your debit card, your account number is listed on the bottom of each check. 4. Local bank branch or customer service. You can visit your local bank branch or call your bank's customer service for help. Remember, they will ask for identification to verify you are the account holder. That's all for today's guide on how to find your debit card account number. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic, and remember, your account number is sensitive information. Always keep it secure. Stay tuned for more financial guidance, and happy banking!